When removing a door frame, it's helpful to have some tips. Here are some that I've found useful. First of all, this door frame is unusual in that it has a top horizontal beam that runs between the brickwork and a concrete lintel spanning across two frames. I've drilled through this and will use a saw in order to leave the timber supporting the weight above it. Next, I need to saw through the frame at an angle above the lower hinge between 1/4 and 1/3 of the way up the frame. Some frames may have screw fixings, which can be undone with a screwdriver once the inner trim is removed. This is often referred to as the stop. However, others like this one are fixed with nails. Grab your hacksaw, then remove the blade fixing nut. Thread the blade through the back of the door frame like shown, and then reattach the blade and begin to saw. Once this is done, try and pry the frame away from the brickwork using a hammer. This will help you locate other fixings. Cut through further fixings and then rock the timber back and forth to loosen any nails holding it to the horizontal beam. Once the first half is removed, start on the other side, removing the fixings in the same manner. If your saw begins to stick, try rubbing the blade with a candle. This will help lubricate the blade so that it cuts through the wood smoothly. Once the upper part of the frame is removed, we can remove the fixings from the lower parts of the frame which are left, in order to finish the job. You may need to use a hammer again to pry the timber away from the brickwork. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out any of my other videos.